Welcome to this tutorial on how to add employer and employees on SARS Employer. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add your employer on the SARS, and you will also be able to add your employees on SARS. First, log in on SARS. It is recommended to always use the admin username, so that you have full functionality on SARS. Click on Login. Then click on Continue, as there is no employer database registered. Go to Employer Admin, on the left-hand side menu. Then click on View Edit Change. The SARS system will default to Add Employer screen. Complete the employer information starting with Employer Trading Name. Then add the pay-as-you-earn number, followed by the SDL number, then the UIF number. Click on the ellipses, or the 3 dots, to select the activity with major division, which is the industry group, and the specific industry. Then click on OK. Click on the drop-down to select the employer standard industrial classification, and the special economic zone, if applicable. If the employer qualifies or is eligible to receive diplomatic indemnity, select Yes on the diplomatic indemnity option. Type the employer address. Click on the drop-down to select the country. Type the contact person information. Complete the tax practitioner information if applicable. Click on Update Employer. The employer information will be added successfully, and the database for this employer will be shown automatically. Now that the employer has been added, we need to add the employees under this employer on SARS. Go to Employee Admin on the left-hand side menu, then click on View Edit Employees. Select the 3 dots next to tax year, and click Search. This is to make sure that there are no employees registered, so you do not duplicate the employees. Then click on Add Employee. Complete the first page of the employee's personal information. Remember, when you see a red star next to the field, it means that the field is mandatory. Example, ID number or passport number, depending on your selection on the nature of person. Then the tax reference number. Click Next. Complete the employee contact details on the second page, then click Next. Complete the employee's banking details on the last page by clicking the drop-down menu to select the account type. Then account holder relationship. You can then type your banking details. Remember, if there are no banking details available, you can select Not paid electronically next to account type, then the banking details field will be grayed out. Click on Save at the bottom. Your employee has been successfully saved. To view the employer, click on View Edit Change. The employer will be available to view under Edit Employer page. To change to another employer database, click on Change Employer at the bottom, then click on the button says, Click to change. To view the employees, click on View Edit Employees, under Employee Admin. Select the 3 dots next to tax year, and click on Search to view the employees you have added. The list of employees will show at the bottom. Click on View on the far right to view the employee. You can then browse to all the pages to check all the information. Employers who uses payroll systems, you do not need to add the employer and the employees on SARS. Employers can import the payroll files into SARS. The employer and the employees will be automatically added with the tax certificates. To import the payroll file, click on Import Export Payroll File on the left navigation menu, then click Import Payroll File. Please note, only files saved on the local disk can be imported. Click OK to start importing. Select the file you want to import from your computer, and click Open, and then OK. If the payroll file fails validation, click on OK to go to the Import Payroll File log on Utilities to check the validation failure. Select the top report to check. You can save the report or click Close. After fixing the payroll file, please import again by clicking Import Export Payroll File, then Import Payroll File. Select the file you want to import from your computer, and click Open. Then click OK to start the import process. If the validation passes, click on OK so the importing will continue. The payroll file imported successfully. Click OK. To check the details of the employer, click on View Edit Change on the left navigation menu, then Edit Employer. Check and update all the details of the employer, then click on Update Employer at the bottom of the screen. To check the employees, click on View Edit Employees on the left navigation menu, then select the three dots next to tax year. Click Search. The list of your employees imported will be displayed. You can check the tax certificates imported for accuracy, as this information is used to pre-populate the individual tax returns. That concludes the How to Add Employer and Employees on SARS Employer tutorial. SARS. At your service.